Hey, my home decor lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Guess what, y'all? I've been out here in these home decor streets to bring you the latest spring arrivals at Burlington this week. And you know how it is. Burlington never disappoints. And I'm here to make sure that you don't miss out. We'll be on the lookout for beautiful pieces that can transform your home. And trust me, your home will thank you. So grab your snacks, sit back, and let's get into it. Hey y'all, can we just take a moment to appreciate these gorgeous spring floral arrangements? I mean, Burlington really outdid themselves this time. It's like they read our minds and said, let's give them Pinterest-worthy blooms without the Pinterest-worthy price tag. And I'm here for it. But I want to hear from you. Which of these beautiful blooms caught your eye? And drop me a comment below and let me know your favorite. Because we are family. And I got all my sisters with me. Too real to be fake and too fake to be real. They look so real, I had to do a double take. And as a proud plant mom in real life, these fooled even me. I was ready to start watering. No watering can, no green thumb, no problem. And then I found these. Y'all, they sleek and modern, and they would be the perfect combination for our super realistic olive tree and fiddle leaf tree. Check out these stunning vases. Burlington really knows how to deliver elegance on a budget. Whether you need a statement piece for your entryway or a chic addition to your coffee table, there's a vase here calling your name. And speaking of calling your name, I'm Evelyn, and on my channel I do shop with me's, decorate with me's, pretty much all things home. Hit that subscribe button and join our home decor lovers family. To my vase aficionados, get ready, because I got something for everyone. Like this modern vase, it's like the little black dress of home decor. Or this organic Mari. Think of these as boho chic little cousin, a relaxed elegance to any space. And for those who love a bit of sparkle, here is your glam, always front and center stage. Ladies, it seemed like Burlington got our decor needs covered no matter our style. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're loving these finds. All right, my art lovers, prepare to be dazzled by these beautiful sculptures. So, according to the Chinese zodiac, 2025 is supposed to be the year of the snake. But Burlington seems to have a different idea. They are all about the elephants this year. Maybe they figured, why slither when you can stomp? As I wandered into the wall art section, I was immediately captivated by this stunning piece. She is the essence of beauty, strength, and elegance. I was ready to take her home until I realized it's missing something. A frame. We all know that frames are like the little black dress for wall art. Taking it from she pretty to ooh, she's gorgeous. But y'all, at this unbelievable low price, it's totally worth a little DIY frame. Elephants are said to bring wisdom, protection, and good fortune. And with this beauty, your home is practically guaranteed to be the happiest place on earth. Yes, my home decor lover family. I know wall art with wording isn't exactly the trendiest thing right now, but I couldn't resist this. It says, "Together is my favorite place to be," and I absolutely love it. It's perfect for hanging above the bed in the primary bedroom or in the family room where all the magic happens. Who cares if it's not trendy? It's meaningful, it's beautiful to me, and it reminds me of what matters. Plus, let's be real, trends come and go, but the love for our favorite people stays forever. Thank you all so much for watching, my home decor lover family. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed this shop with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before leaving. Share the love with your fellow home decor lovers. And stay tuned for my next video where I'll be sharing some of my exciting updates on my home office. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Plus, there's another Shop With Me video just around the corner. Spoiler alert, it's going to be awesome. Until the next time, you all, be blessed.